Hi, I'm Cameron, founder and CEO of Goast.ai, and I'd like to introduce you to the Goast.ai Crashbot. We've built this demo page that lets you add your own repository, a stack trace, and any additional context, and have Ghost generate a fix. We've also automated this with an integration with Sentry, and we're working on additional integrations with popular crash reporting services. If you're interested in setting up one of these automations, get in touch with us. There's a link where you can set up a demo in the video description. If you don't have your own repository with a crash ready to go, you can fork our sample project. You click this button here, create the fork, and once that's done, you can head back to Ghost and add the repository. And then install and authorize. You choose that repository, and we have these sample stack traces. This one here is a sample React app. Let's generate a fix. So I found the right file here, and it comes back first with these steps and file locations, and these are totally editable. You can update the instructions and regenerate the code if you need to. So in this case, it's detected that this username can be null, and because we had the additional context, it is saying no user selected. And it can also generate a test. And at this point, I can create a pull request. If there's any changes that I want to make, I can edit directly in GitHub. Otherwise, I can just view the pull request and merge it, whatever I need to do. We have another exception, a Python exception. I'll generate fix for that. So we have this joke server, and there's an off by one error in the joke selection logic, where it's looking at the length of the jokes rather than length of the jokes -1, and it picked up on that. And finally, we have this express type error. Let's generate a fix. So in this case, we have this express server, and there's an issue where we're incorrectly parsing the user ID from the parameters. We're not converting it to a number. And also, if the user isn't found, we're not sending a 404. So in this case, it does both. And it's also generating a test. Thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you to try out Crashbot on your own repository. If you're interested in more information, I'll leave a link in the description to set up a demo with me and the team. Thanks for watching.